everyone, welcome back. If you're new here, we are running through all of the recipes inside the 5-ingredient Renal Diet Cookbook. All of these recipes are beginner and kidney friendly, so if you want to follow along, it's available on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the caption. Today we're going to be making Sedona Trail Mix Energy Bites. You're going to need all natural peanut butter, some almonds, preferably if you can get chopped almonds. I couldn't find any, so I'm just using whole almonds and I'll chop them myself, I guess. Maple syrup, chia seeds, coconut oil, pitted dates, and oats. So first things first, you want to add your peanut butter, your coconut oil, and your maple syrup into a pan and heat it until it's all melted together. Okay, so I just added 1 3/4 tablespoons of peanut butter into my pot, 2 teaspoons of maple syrup, and we need 2 teaspoons of coconut oil. And we're just gonna heat that up, and then when it's done, we'll come back. Okay, so in the meantime, while that's heating up, let's get our dry ingredients together. I want a tablespoon of pitted dates chopped up, and I'm gonna chop it up. And then we want to take our chia seeds, 2 teaspoons of those, 1 3/4 tablespoon of oats. We want 2 teaspoons of dark chocolate chips. And because I didn't get chopped almonds, we're just going to chop a couple. I'm just gonna do like 6 or 7. And I'm just gonna chop them out. So let's see, a tablespoon. Yeah, that's perfect. So we're gonna toss that in. Okay, so now that all of this is melted, it's like a good consistency. We're going to pour this in and mix it well until it's all together. I'm actually gonna get my spatula. Just scrape it out so we get it all the goodness. Okay, so it's all mixed together and it melted the chocolate bits. It actually looks pretty good. Roll these into like a tablespoon size of balls. And because it's still so warm and it's so loose, I think I'm going to actually pop mine in the fridge just to harden them. So I'll pop it in the fridge for about like 10-15 minutes and then come back and see what it's looking like. Overall, it looks pretty good. I'll come back when they're done and we'll do a taste test. Okay, so we are back with these. I left them in the fridge for only about 15 minutes. They're still not fully set, so I honestly think that maybe putting these in the fridge after you make them overnight, I think it would just set them more, but we're gonna try them anyways. They look really good. So normally I find with these kind of things like oat balls and protein balls and those kind of things, I find them to be so dry. Sorry, it's sticky. I find them to be really dry, and I find them to just be like, you can taste that they're healthy. Does that make sense? I'm not usually a huge fan of them, but these are so moist, and to be honest, all I can taste is chocolate, which, like, who doesn't love that? Chocolate and peanut butter. So I truthfully just taste like I'm eating a Reese's peanut butter cup, and I think that's all I need to say because these are super good. I will definitely be making these in like batches and then keeping them in the fridge, and then that way my fiance can take them for lunches. My kids can have them throughout the day. This is really good. So just a reminder, this is where I got the recipe from. It is available on Amazon. There's a link in my caption. So thank you for watching. Have a great day and see you next time.